Hey, it's Xavier, and I actually just want to cover real quick the AC controls. Okay, starting from left to right. So here you could actually change the fan speed, and you actually have 7 levels. Level one is the lowest, and you could also voice command these things, by the way. And then this changes the temperature. Right, you go higher, right? So these adjust the temperature. Moving over, you have, and this top section is for like these options here. You go back. That's for this screen. Here for the AC, you have the max defrosters, right? So you need to defrost those windows. You hit that to go along with that. You want to make sure you leave your AC on as well when you're doing that because it does work as a dehumidifier as well. And then here the rear view, you have the rear defrosters, and also does the side mirrors as well. Here is the same functions, except you don't have the fan speed. The driver does, controls that. For the passenger, so the passenger can set a different temperature for themselves. Moving to auto, you choose to manually do it, and or you put it on auto, hit that, turn it off just for a moment. It's gonna keep the cabin at that temperature that you already have set up. It's a warm day, so it's gonna blow full speed for right now. Let me lower it and then keep going. So this is where you could go. And actually, before I get to the climate menu, this is where you go for the recycled air. Again, let's say it's an unusually hot day. You have the recycled air, so you're not allowing the hot air in. Or you're driving somewhere and it's kind of stinky to close out the air. Don't let that outside air in. You do that so it doesn't go in. Now let's go to the climate menu. This is where you have additional options on the car, right? So this is where you control the vents, which way it's going. So right now the vents are just set up to come here, but you do also have vents that come to the footwell area, and then you also have the vents that go to the windshield as well. But this is where you would go to control that. Sync puts it at the desired temperature for the driver, so that way it instantly goes to the driver settings. And here's where you would actually turn off the AC.
Right. I'm deactivating the air conditioning system now.
And also, you do have the voice command function that can control the temperature, the fan speed of the AC system. Let me show you how to do that. Hey, Mercedes,
I'm listening.
change the temperature to 65 degrees.
Okay, I'll set the temperature to 65 degrees.
Hey, Mercedes,
Yes?
change air fan to level 7.
Please repeat.
Change air fan to level 7.
Good. I'm setting the fan to maximum.
Okay. And to activate her, if you don't feel like saying her name, you hit this button and then she's actively listening. Change the temperature to 61 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature to 61 degrees.
And just a further note, the more you use the system, the better it is. It is AI. The better it is at picking up what you're trying to say. So you do want to use it so it more accurately pulls up what you're trying to say and do. If you have any questions, let me
Pardon?
know.